Hi guys, happy Monday. So we are, wow, I believe we're on week 8 if we don't count our week off. If we do it, we might be into week 9 of your homeschool learning. And just when I learned that, I have to say I couldn't be any more proud of you that you are still working hard to keep doing this. And I know it's different, and I know it's not as much. It's not the amount of work is a little bit different, but you're still moving forward and we're keeping crucial things going. And I'm really proud of you for doing so. So this week in Foundations, we're doing the second week of long O, still considered the D syllable or the double vowel syllable. And so when we look, we're still dealing with the same double vowels. We're going to look at O-E, toe, O. We're going to look at O-A, boat, O. Or we're going to be looking at O-W, snow, O. Okay, and so this week I just want to introduce to you, you just have 2 more sheets. It's a little more of the same, a little more practice, but I want to introduce to you the 2-syllable O team. I mean, you can get a 2-syllable word, obviously, with that double vowel team of long O in there. So, for example, a multisyllabic word we might do would be below. I dropped the keys below the car seat. Okay, so we're going to try below. B-E, first syllable. Okay, I know I have a long E there. I know there's a couple ways, right? I can make that long E, but I know that doesn't come in combination of a word. So, and most of us say below, B. Now I'm going to go with low, L, L, O. And again, if I do my spelling strategy of putting them in there, I know O-E can come at the end, like toe, but I also know that's unusual and it's usually a 1-syllable word there, okay? So I'm going to go with this guy because I know OA only comes in the middle or at least has a consonant after it. Below, below, and that would work. Okay, another 2-syllable word is actually a compound word. How about tiptoe? Tiptoe. T, 3 sounds, short vowel. T, Sorry about this mess. This is harder to keep track of here. T, especially when someone plays with it. All right, tip. Okay, and now I'm going to do toe, which I've already done, so I know it. Toe, T-O, tip, toe. So I'm going to have to use this because I don't have another T, and I'm going to look tip, toe, tip, toe, and that's the one, right? I do know that sometimes, right, at the end, I'm going to see OW. OW can also be followed by a consonant. So that's the one that could go either way. And we talked about groan. All right. So now I'd like to talk about a couple of your homophones come up just because of OE and OW. That makes sense. Oh, Margie is killing me with this board here. Okay, so let me go ahead and take a look at that. All right, so I'm going to write some of them. So your words, one of the homophones that came up this time are toe, which we did before, toe. I stubbed my toe, sorry about the marker, and toe. My car broke down and they needed to tow it, okay, to the mechanic, so to pull something. When I go tubing with my friends, they tow me on a line off the boat on a, what do you call that, on that raft thing, okay? And then, of course, there's groan, which is this one, that OA in the middle. Oh, Mrs. Dunner, Foundations. And then there's groan. I bet you have grown a lot since I last saw you. The other day, my son came in and laid next to me in bed, and at night, and I couldn't believe how long he seemed. He's grown so much. So I bet you all have grown so much, and I miss you so much, and I can't wait to see you again. Okay? And then also adding an ending. So we know OA here has a consonant after, but what if we were saying the class was always groaning when we had to stay in for recess. So again, remember, this is my double vowel team. Sorry, that's a D. Okay? So you may come across some like that. You did a great job. Now here's the next thing we're going to do. We're continuing with our handwriting. You still have a couple pages before I have to send you a new handwriting page, which might be harder. And I want you to look because we're continuing with down curve. You did see down curve, and I told you you can do it with the check stroke or you can just do it around. Well, A is the same way. I don't want you going round and round and round the roller coaster. This isn't the super duper looper. With A, you're going to go down curve. You're going to go down curve and up curve. And notice it's almost an oval. If you make it really round, it's okay. But you don't want to end up here. Say you don't want to go all the way around. You want to make sure that you're ending over here because you're going to then put your stick down. Some of us print that way. You come up and then straight down for your print today. If you do that, you're ready to go because cursive A is the same way. You come up, slant down, and under curve. Okay, I'm going to do it again. So it's a down curve this way, then it's an under curve up, then it's a slant down, and it's another under curve up, which seems crazy. See that? It's on your page, so let me do it again. Down curve, under curve, slant, and under. I'm sorry, I'm having trouble with my hand. I had to take my inhaler, so my hand's shaking. Okay, here we go. We're going to do it again. Down curve, under curve, slant, and under. So let's put it in the middle of a word. Let's spell cat. So C is down curve to under curve. Now A starts up here. So I stop my marker. Just stop. Don't go around. This is not the super duper looper. I'm going to head back this way and do my under curve and then go right into my T. Okay? Watch that a couple times. Let's put A in another word. Let's do tap. Okay? So I'm putting A in the middle. So watch. T to A. Now, I'm going to go up. Imagine you're on a roller coaster. You're going to go up. You're not going all the way around, though. You don't go upside down. Now you're going to go backward. And in and to 3-point P and then cross. Let's look at it again, because if you're going to do this, I know you're going to say it looks the same. It doesn't, and I can always tell. If you do that, it's okay. In third grade, you're going to practice again. But watch, I'd rather see this. I'm going to do this. I'd rather see this than have you go all the way around. See that big space? I'd rather see that big space than have you go all the way around. I'd rather see you go like this and go over the big space. Sorry for that exaggeration. That way, than have you go all the way around. It's not all the way around. You go up and then come back down. Okay, and then your next cursive letter is G, and it does the same thing. So G by itself starts in that midline, goes down like A, comes up like A, goes down like A, but it goes past that bottom line into the ground. I used to call it the basement before we had foundations lines. And then it's over. That's G. So think about how you make a printed G. So you're going to make, printed G is bad. You're going to make your cursive G the same exact way, basically. All right, now let's do get, okay? G. It ends with an over curve, and then we go into E, and then into T. Get ready. More's coming your way. Now let's do another one. Let's do A-G-E, age, okay? So we start with A like we would, which isn't hard to start that way. Now I'm going to go to G, but I better not go all the way around or I won't have anywhere to go. I'm going to stop my roller coaster. Now it's time to go backward. Down in the basement. Over curve to under curve. See that? I'm going to do it the wrong way. I'm going to do it in red pen the wrong way so you can see this is wrong. I'm going to do it again. Watch. So now when you did all that, if you went loop-de-loop for G, now you're over here. See where I am? Over there. I can't do it. So I go all the way around and come down. Can you see how bad that looks? All right. So one more time. That's a no-no. One more time. You're coming in. You're going to go up and come back down. A to G, up, stop my pencil. I can hold it there forever if I have to. And come back down. Excellent job. All right, I know you guys can do this. 2 more things before I let you go. Still not quite 10 minutes. I want to talk about your trick words. 2 trick words that were a huge trick for me that my mom taught me tricks. You all know when we did together, you said, we go together to get her. To get her. Okay, so my mom also taught me a trick for beautiful, because beautiful, like favorite, she taught me to say favorite because it sounds just like it's spelled, but then there's an E on the end. So it should say favorite if we're following that vowel consonant E, but we don't. So my mom said, remember, favorite, but I don't say that to people, right? Except for you all. So now for beautiful, my mom said B, A, beautiful person. Be a beautiful person. So it's B, as in to be. A, as in B-A. You want to be a good person. Beautiful. B-A-U. And then T-full is spelled just the way it sounds. B, A, beautiful person. Okay? Most of us will spell beautiful this way. I get it, right? Yeah, I know you're laughing. Beautiful. So be a beautiful person. And let's talk about tomorrow, which until I was in 6th grade and had Mrs. Kelly, I know I spelled wrong all the time. And then I sat next to someone, and I'm surprised my mom didn't come up with this for me, who said to me, what are you talking about? Tom or row? Because until that time, I would want to do, is it 2 M's? Is it 2 R's? Tom, R, or row. But look at tomorrow. Tomorrow. Hear the R? Row. Tomorrow. I hear 1 M. I hear 2 R's. So either way you think about it, Tom or row will keep you trick in your head. Be a beautiful person will keep a trick in your head. Okay? All right, guys. Good job. Keep it up. Get your foundations done. I'm so proud of you.